class, this is a quick video to help you get started on this sheet. But first you need to make sure that you've watched this video. The video is called Similarity Theorems. And in it you're going to learn that there are 3 similarity theorems having to do with side, 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 angle, side, and angle, angle. Alright, so let's, after you've watched the video and you've taken notes, let's look at, just to get you started here on some of these problems, what we need to do is we need to set up a proportion using the sides. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the sides of the little triangle, which are 3 and 6, and how much would this side be? Well, if the whole thing is 20, 20 minus 15 gives me 5 to go here. So I'm going to use the sides of the small triangle, and then I'm going to use the sides of the large triangle, which are 20 and 12. And how much would this side down here be? You have to add the 18 and the 6 to get that full side. So this side is 24. So the 12 corresponds with the 3. This 12, it's the side of 12 corresponds with the side of 3. The blue side of 5 goes with the large side of 20. And on this side, the 6 goes with the whole side, which is 24. And what we want to do is see if all 3 of those are equal. And in fact, all of these equal the same thing. They all equal 4. So since they are all equal, we know that the 2 triangles are similar by side, side, side. So for each of these questions on the front page, 1 through 8 here, you need to say if it's similar, and you need to give the reason why it's similar. And then I also want to see, for showing your work, a proportion of the sides. Or if there are angles equal, I want you to tell me what angles are equal. All right, and let's look at the back. On the ones on the back, you're going to set up a proportion and cross multiply. So we're going to figure out what pieces go together. The 20 corresponds with the 45, and the question mark corresponds with the 27. So what we're going to do is set up a proportion and say 20 goes with the 45 equals, and since I put the 20 on the top for the small triangle, I'm also going to have to put the x on the top to match that, over 27. Now we can just cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we're going to have 45 times x on one diagonal, and multiplying the other diagonal, we have 20 times 27. 20 times 27 is 540 equals 45x. Divide by 45, and we get our answer to be 12. So for each one on the back side, set up a proportion, okay, 2 fractions that are equal, and then cross multiply to get the answer. All right, this paper is due at the end of the period. Thank you.